So cold. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is crazy cold out here. It was 1 degree earlier today. So hope you guys are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe, staying warm out there. Welcome to the channel. So this is the Captain Save-A-Foe update. Wanted to make a quick video for you guys to let you know where we are with this project and the car that's going to be going up for grabs here for someone anywhere. We don't know yet. California, New York, Mexico, Canada, Hawaii. It's going to go somewhere. We'll see. But so let's do a quick update here. If you remember previously in one of the older videos, I had this 6-liter LS engine that I picked up for the blue 63 Chevy Impala that I had about a year ago. Really had a lot of plans and hopes for that car, but ended up selling it and had this engine here, and it literally just sat here the whole time. I honestly I don't get on the side of the garage much, so it just sat here and I kind of forgot about it. But this engine right here is going to go into Captain Save-A-Foe. So it is a LS 6-liter engine with a 4L80E transmission, computer, harness, everything's all there. Now I got some parts on order here so we can do the swap. Right now it's got the factory LS mounts for the truck that it was in and oil pan. Got a new pan and mounts coming in for the engine and for the transmission. Now so once we have those parts for the engine and transmission, we can drop it in the frame. Frame, by the time you see this video, the frame should be cleaned up and prepped and ready and all pretty for this engine and transmission to drop onto it. So we'll go ahead and drop that stuff on there. Once that's in, we'll drop the body on, get that front end on there. Sorry, I'm on baby watch. I got the baby monitor over here too, so I'm trying to multitask here real quick. But so once we got that stuff dropped in there, we'll drop the body on, we'll drop the front clip back in there, get the interior buttoned up, and get some wheels on it. From there, it'll be a roller. It'll be ready for whoever's going to win this thing. And from that point, it'll be up to the winner to decide if they want to keep it fuel injected, if they want to go carbureted, if they want to do a turbocharger, make it a hot rod, a cruiser, supercharger, whatever it's going to be. That decision's up to the winner. So with that said, this is what's going to make the whole thing so simple, so easy, and it's just, again, me making stuff easy for you. So check this out. MSD has an LS ignition control system. Now the good folks over at MSD, they did not provide this, they did not donate this. This was purchased out of pocket, but just wanted to bring this up to those that don't know, bring this up to your attention. MSD offers a lot of awesome stuff for LS swaps. This one here in particular is a really good system. This is actually the second one that I've purchased for an LS swap. But what this allows you to do is essentially take this engine, drop it into whatever you're going to drop it into, and run it with either the factory computer, an aftermarket computer, a carburetor, the fuel injection, whatever you want to do. This lets you do it. So this system right here comes with several preset settings in here, and it gives you an option for 4 custom tunes in here. So if you're going to do boost, turbo, supercharger, custom settings on whatever, this allows you to do that. You can save up to 4 different settings in here. Now if you're not going to go that route and just want to work with the factory options, so you got a setting for your truck or an LS1, and then there's some other options in between here. But with this being a truck engine, you literally can take this engine, drop it in, which we're going to do, into the Impala, and just set it for the truck setting, fire it up and go. It takes a lot of the guesswork out, a lot of the headache, a lot of the wiring, a lot of all that stuff that people were not willing to tackle up front for these LS swaps. Simplifies the process, cleans up your engine bay, and like I said, if you want to run a carburetor, you literally take that intake off and run your carburetor. Let me get over here real quick. So if you literally want to take your intake off, you can take that off, put the carburetor intake on there, throw the carb on there, and run it. That's pretty much it. So it's a really, really awesome setup. The computer is just wrapped in the bag there. I had to protect it from any kind of moisture on the way home from where I purchased it. But yeah, that's it. It's all complete. These manifolds more than likely won't work for the clearance on that frame, but the company who makes the mounts that I'm purchasing also has headers that you can use here. So I'm going to leave that up to the winner, because if you go turbo, then if I provide headers for it, that system won't work then. If you do supercharger, then yeah, possibly, you know, you can run that, but I'm gonna leave it up to the winner, because I don't know what the plans are. I just try to put together a solid foundation for you guys and get it over to you, and then you can work the magic from there. So yeah, but this is it though. Complete engine from the intake on down to the pan, and transmission, again with the harness, the computer, it's all there. So the other good thing too with this MSD system here, you literally, like I said, you can literally run this with the carburetor, and you know, have the LS power, the LS reliability, all that comes along with it, but with the carburetor. You know, all this wiring, won't even have to worry about that. It's a really cool setup here. So it lets you go either way, fuel injected, carbureted, you know, boost, whatever the case may be, it's ready for it. MSD offers way much more than this, just this right here. They have a ton of options for you, as well as Holley, but this right here helps you get into the game and get up to date with performance and fuel injection and all that kind of stuff. So that's it on that. So all right guys, again, if this is your first time watching, please be sure to go ahead and leave a like if you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe so you can stay current on all the stuff that's going to be coming up here. A lot of good stuff is going to be on its way real soon, so stay tuned for that. The next video, if it hasn't been done yet, we'll be dropping the engine into the frame and the body, getting that front clip on and all that kind of stuff. So wrapping this up real soon. The wheels, I'm not sure what direction we're going to go on the wheels, so let me know what you guys think. Should we do some wires like we did on the last car, or should we just do I was thinking like a staggered 18-inch setup, drop the suspension a little bit. I think that looked pretty nice. I don't know, it's up to you guys. So I don't want to go too far in one direction and then the winner's like, oh no, I'm gonna do switches on it, and then like take all the stuff out. So so it's up to you guys though. But I'll put a poll up, you guys can vote, let me know what direction we should go here, and whatever the unanimous decision is on this, we'll just go that direction. So I did reach out to Alex at Hoppos after we did the last one, told him that the next order is going to be coming in for this car. I thought we were going to do hydraulics, but some people reached out, you know, saying that they weren't really looking to go the hydraulics route, maybe bags, maybe you know, just a nice little stance, make it a cruiser. So it's really up to you guys. I'm just kind of, you know, just making the stuff happen here. So we'll have a unanimous vote on all that stuff coming up, so stay tuned, and you know, whatever has the highest vote, that's the direction we'll go for this. Okay guys, so with that said, with just a quick recap on how to enter the raffle, so you can get a chance to win the 64 Chevy Impala that's up for grabs. Again, on social media you can't do a raffle, so we're not selling tickets directly for the car to win. You just purchase a shirt for the channel. With each shirt purchase, you get a ticket towards winning the car. So if you purchased 5, you get 2 free tickets. You get a total of 7 tickets towards winning the car. Just be sure to include your shirt color, your shirt size, your mailing address for the shirt, so you have a place to receive the shirts. And again, the winner for the car gets free delivery. So all you really do is just purchase the shirt, you get a ticket towards the car. If you are the winner, you get free delivery towards the car. You just have to be there to receive the car. That's it. Everything else is taken care of for you. So like on the last car, that car shipped out to California. So all the stuff was thrown into the trunk of the car, the hydraulics and everything, and the winner just had to be there to receive it. So so yeah, that's it guys. No fine print, no strings attached. That's it. So the shirt vendor previously, they wanted to have all the entries in at once, and the entries don't come in like that. They kind of come in staggered. So they just want to have the whole order in at once and then make the shirts, instead of making the shirts as the orders came in. So to eliminate all that back and forth, I just purchased my own equipment and my own materials, and it's all top-notch stuff. So you'll see probably in this video or one of the next videos where I'm making the shirts, and you can see the finished product. It looks amazing. So yeah, so we'll just do that. So as the orders are coming in, the shirts will be shipping out instead of waiting until the end and causing a big cluster like it did last time. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to hit me up on Instagram or Facebook Messenger. Instagram is raw_free. Facebook is just raw free, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have there. Again, delivery on this is going to be through anywhere in the US and Hawaii included.